This problem is a conceptual problem. First of all, go through the problem very carefully. What's the problem? This problem has two parts. One part is that you have to prove the matrix B dash AB symmetric matrix under the condition that A will be the symmetric matrix. Second part of the problem is that you have to prove the matrix B dash AB will be skew symmetric matrix if A will be the skew symmetric matrix. Now think about symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. If you will take the transpose of A, then it will come out A. That means A dash will be equal to A. Then the matrix L will be symmetric matrix. If A dash will come out minus of A, then it will be the skew symmetric matrix. Right? This is the concept behind symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Now, think about the approach. You have to create an approach which will be according to the problem. B dash AB will be symmetric. That means first of all you have to take the transpose of B dash AB. If you will take the transpose of B dash AB, then it should come out B dash AB under the condition that A dash will be equal to A. Now, once again take the transpose of B dash AB. If the transpose of B dash AB will come out minus of the matrix B dash AB under the condition that A dash will be equal to minus A. This is the approach behind this problem. Now you can try this. Now we are going to discuss the solution in detail. Now we are going to discuss the solution of this problem in detail. First of all, we will prove the first part. That means we have to prove B dash AB will be symmetric matrix under the condition that A dash will be equal to A. That means the matrix A will be symmetric matrix. Now, to prove this, first of all, take the transpose of B dash AB. To take the transpose of B dash AB, we have to take the help of a theorem. Theorem is that the transpose of the product of matrix PQ will be Q dash into P dash. Now treat B dash as P and AB as Q. According to that theorem, now you can write down AB transpose into transpose of B dash. Now once again apply the theorem for the product of the matrix AB for which we have to take the transpose. That means it will come out B dash A dash into transpose of B dash, that you can see. Now, what will be the final statement? The final statement is that the transpose of the matrix B dash AB will be transpose of B into transpose of A into transpose of B of B dash. Right? Right, but students? Now, use another theorem. If you take the transpose of the matrix of B dash, then it will come out B. That means B dash and dash equals to B. Using this theorem, what you will get? You will get B dash AB dash will be equal to B dash A dash B. Now, use the given information of the problem. given information is that A dash equals to A. Hence, replace A dash by A. Finally, what you will get? You have got the transpose of B dash AB will be equal to B dash AB. Hence, the matrix B dash AB is a symmetric matrix. Now, apply the same procedure for the next part. What is the next part? Next part is that we have to prove the matrix B dash AB is a skew symmetric matrix under the condition that A dash will be equal to minus A. That means under the condition that the matrix A is a skew symmetric matrix.